The adult kick scooter category has matured beyond child-friendly toys to become practical options for commuting, campus travel, and last-mile transport. With improvements in weight, ride quality, braking systems, and foldability, choosing the right model hinges on rider height, weight tolerance. Product number 1. Lascuda Kick Scooter for kids ages 6+. The Lascuda Teen Retro is positioned as an adult-friendly scooter with 8-inch polyurethane wheels, an adjustable handlebar, and a 264-pound load rating. It emphasizes a foldable design, lightweight construction, approximately 10.6 pounds, and front suspension to smooth minor road imperfections. The combination of a wide 30-inch length and a 6-inch width deck, plus a rear heat-treated brake, targets urban commuting and casual rides for adults who value portability alongside a stable ride. Performance and user experience. The Lascuda suspension concept promises reduced vibration in urban settings, while 7.9-inch wheels strike a balance between stability and rollover capability on moderate pavement gaps. The scooter's 3-height adjustable handlebar, 35 inches, 37 inches, 39 inches, accommodates a broad range of rider heights. With a 264-pound capacity and rigid frame, heavier riders should expect consistent performance, provided tire pressures are maintained. Real-world use suggests solid braking response from the rear heat-treated brake, though wheel size and deck width limit aggressive off-road use. The fold-and-go mechanism plus carrying strap makes it a practical choice for commuters who need easy storage in tight spaces. Product number 2. Scooters for kids 8 to 12. The Grenix model targets versatility for kids 8+, teens, and adults with 8-inch wheels, a 240-pound weight limit, and an adjustable handlebar that supports 4 height options. It is designed for mixed-use commuting and campus rides, featuring a dual brake system, front and rear, and a loud bell for visibility. Its all-steel frame with alloy components emphasizes durability while maintaining a relatively light overall weight, suited for quick storage. Performance and user experience. The scooter's 4 height settings, 30 inches, 36.5 inches, 38.5 inches, and 40.5 inches, and a generous 4-inch wide anti-slip deck enable confident foot placement, especially for taller riders. The 8-inch wheels with suspension damp most urban imperfections, making it comfortable for long campus rides. The combined front and rear braking system enhances stopping power, which is particularly beneficial in busy sidewalks or street crossings. A lifetime warranty with a 180-day warranty window adds peace of mind for families investing in a multi-user scooter. Product number 3. Large kick scooter for adults. Mad Gear Urban Glide is a more premium, larger-wheeled option designed for a smoother ride on varied surfaces. It uses 12-inch air-filled tires, a wide 4.7-inch deck, and a sturdy carbon steel frame, supporting riders up to 220 pounds. The inclusion of a rear handbrake and a kickstand adds practical stopping control and parking convenience. It is aimed at riders who want stability on longer, potentially uneven routes and appreciate a USA-based warranty support with a 3-year coverage. Performance and user experience. The 12-inch pneumatic tires dramatically improve comfort on cracks and rough pavement, translating to a more confident ride for taller or heavier riders. The large deck width accommodates 2-foot stances and reduces fatigue during longer sessions. The fixed handlebar and ergonomic grips support precise control, while the rear brake offers strong stopping power. The trade-offs include higher weight, 21.5 pounds, and a longer footprint, reducing portability for commuters with limited storage. The 3-year warranty and US support are strong value propositions for buyers prioritizing service and longevity. Product number 4. Razor A5 Luxe Kick Scooter for kids ages 8+, 8-inch urethane wheels. Razor A5 Luxe sits at a premium price tier with 8-inch urethane wheels, a robust aluminum frame, and an adjustable T-tube handlebar designed for taller riders. It emphasizes bold aesthetics, a larger deck, foam grips, and a user-friendly fold mechanism. This model targets teens and adults who want a flagship feel without sacrificing portability. Performance and user experience. The 8-inch wheels provide a smooth ride, and the larger deck supports longer stance comfort. The adjustable height, combined with foam grips and a lightweight 9.4-pound construction, makes it easy to maneuver and carry. Braking is rear-only, which is common in this class, but riders who need maximum modulation may appreciate a more balanced dual-brake setup. The consumer response is highly favorable, with a 4.8 out of 5 rating reflecting satisfaction with build quality and ride feel. Product number 5. Aero Big Wheels Kick Scooter for Kids 6+. The Aero A200 emphasizes big wheels, 8 inches, a foldable frame, and a wide deck with anti-slip rubber mat. It includes dual braking, hand and rear, for enhanced stopping power, a 41-inch handlebar height range, and a generous 220-pound weight limit. The lightweight aluminum frame and foldable design position it as a versatile option for adults who want a comfortable ride with straightforward storage. Performance and user experience. The dual braking system is a standout for urban environments, offering redundancy and better control on varying surfaces. The 3.5-inch low deck height helps with pushing cadence, reducing knee strain for longer sessions. Its shock absorption via front spring suspension adds to comfort on rough pavement. Its 1-year warranty is standard in this segment, and the scooter's 5.3 kilogram weight aids portability despite the relatively sturdy build. Real-world use suggests good stability at higher speeds and solid stopping performance with both brakes engaged.